Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today is our topic irregular verb fasid fail. Definition: irregular verbs that do not change their spelling. आज हम irregular की उस फॉर्म के बारे में पढ़ते हैं जो अपने स्पेलिंग चेंज नहीं करते. For example, if the root word is cost, in past tense cost, in present tense cost, and in future tense shall cost, and if the root word is hit, in past tense were hitting, in present tense are hitting, and in future tense will hit. If the word is read, in past tense read, in present tense reads, and in future tense will read. If the word is let, in past tense let, in present tense lets, in future tense will let. If the word is put, in past tense were putting, in present tense are putting, and in future tense shall put. If the word is shut, in past tense shut, in present tense shirts, and in future tense will shut. इस तरह की मज़ीद इन्फॉर्मेशन जानने के लिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर यूट्यूब चैनल. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.